Hello everyone, thanks for joining the session. Welcome back to my channel. Can you please subscribe my channel? So today I would like to discuss about wget, which is one of the frequently used command. So it is a free command line utility which comes with many features that make file downloads easily. So with help of this wget, which we can able to download the file in unstable and slow network connections as well. If sometimes the network problems occurs during the download time, this software resumes the file retrieval without starting from the scratch. Suppose for example, we downloaded 50%, if that file, downloading interrupt happen. So if you can start it again, it will start it from the 50%. It will not start it from scratch actually. So apart from that, so here are the couple of things we will discuss. So how to install the wget and how to check that in wget, and how to download the file, how to download the file with the different name, how to download the file with that multiple HTTP and FTP protocol, and how to download a file with that with the file, and how to resume that file name, how to ignore the SSL certificate, how to download with that password. So there are multiple commands are available. Let's play with around with that. So here are that table of content with the examples, which are the commands we are using frequently. So here are the few examples. So let's play with all these commands, how to download the files and how to download files with that different folder name, and how to check whether the file is downloading or not. We'll see it. And here, see, I have captured that nodes. See, this is the nodes with that examples. See here, the first command, second command. You can go through these nodes itself. So the first command is, first we need to check wget space hyphen version. See, it got installed. Okay. So 1.20, and which wget which we can use to check the binary of it. So whenever we can verify this, that means wget is installed. If it is not installed, we can use install wget for CentOS or RHL, or for Ubuntu we can use apt-get install wget. Okay, these are the two commands which we can use to install it. So after that, as I told, so this is that where we can use for the examples. Can you do for cat? We can come to know. If I want to download a file, now we can use wget space file URL. Using this, we can download a file. Example wget. I'm going to download the Jenkins war file. So see here, go to that intranet. Okay. So I'm opening this intranet, so where we are going to download the files. So here you can put to download. So see, I want to download for the Maven. So go to here, particular version which you need to download. Here I want to download for this particular file. So you can click on this file and you can take this copy link address. Then go to here, wget space. You can give that URL. So see here, ls space -lrt, this file got downloaded. So like this, there are multiple options. See here, wget space -o. We can download the file with the different name, wget.zip, and you can give that file. So wget-o, the file name which we have provided, then you can enter it. So this file name is downloaded as wget.zip. Sometimes if you want to download Apache Tomcat as a apache.zip like that, okay, enter. Now see, it is going on. So once this is downloaded, you can verify it ls space -lrt. See, it is downloaded as a wget.zip. So this is the custom name we have provided. Okay. So and another third example is, how to download the multiple files with that different protocols. See, this is the syntax wget space http URL, FTP URL, whatever the URL you can give. Using this, we can download it. Same example, wget space I have given. So the first URL is this HTTP URL, see here, and this is FTP URL. Okay. So now how to download that multiple files with the different protocols. Enter, see the first thing is going on. So and the second thing will be connect to that and it will done. So ls space -lrt, see here the first thing wget, second thing this one, and the first thing is wget. Get two files got downloaded. So here if we can verify, so the first thing is wget.zip. One second. See here, this is the command. This is the tar file it downloaded, and the second one is this. Okay, so this is how we can download for the multiple files. And one more thing is, I want to download for that 5 files, 4 files. What you need to do, you can capture all those URLs using these files URLs. Okay, see here. So VAM download files.txt. Here you can kept how many you want to download. You can kept all those URLs. After that, what you need to do, using this file you can download it. So and that is where, so you need to use the syntax wget space -i download linux.txt. Okay, so here what we need to do, wget space -i, you need to use download files.txt. Enter, see here it will connect to all the files and it will be downloading it actually. So sometimes what happen, right, you need to interrupt this downloading or you need to resume. So what you need to use, so you can connect to the one more session. So here if you want to check ps-af pipe symbol grep, you can use it. Okay, wget, if you can enter, we'll discuss this. See wget this is running actually. If you want to resume this, wget space -c, okay, you can provide it. Enter. So it is not resolving, but you need to give that entire URL actually, what is going on from currently. See, this is going on, you need to put it actually. If you can put, you can resume. -c means it's a resume. These are the couple of options. So if you can enter, see it will resume actually. Okay, so up to 11% it got resolved. So this is how we can stop it actually. So backend anyway that will be going on, don't bother about that. Then after that, one more command you can see here, C for wget-c using resume uncompleted download. Okay, then if you want to download for backend, so you can stop this as of now, Control C. Okay, 16% it is resumed actually. Now what we can do, you can able to download the any file or directory from the backend. So how to do that? So see here wget space -b, you can give the wget.log because we need to track how much is downloaded like that. So enter, see it got downloaded. This is the process ID for that, we'll discuss this later. So how to track means wget-b for backend, this is the log file we need to track it. This is the file URL we are going to download it. Tail-f is the command to track it, how much got downloaded. See here VAM wget dot, here it got downloaded already. Okay, see this is how it's downloaded backend. It's almost completed actually. Okay, so this is how we can able to check the logs. If you want to check tail-f also should work actually. Wget space -f. So see here it's going on actually. It's downloading backend, it's downloading. If you want to kill this, we have a process ID which is given by that. Even we can able to kill it. So what we can do, ps-af, pipe symbol grep, and wget, if we can enter, right, we can get that. See here, this is the backend, it's downloading -b option. If you want to stop this, what you can do, you can take this process ID kill-9 and we can give this ID, it will stop it. Now it will check. Even if you can check for tile-f, okay, so this won't work. See here, it got stopped here. Okay, so we'll discuss what is that ps command, what is the tile command, we'll discuss later. Then after that, what we have to do, we need to be, check limitations we can provide it. While downloading time, you can put the limit actually. So wget space -c, here you can put that limit rate 100 kilobyte or 500 kilobytes or 1 GB, whatever it may be. So sometimes if your manager will ask to keep that limitation for this, you can use this. Syntax is this. Okay, see here, it will this is the process ID, you can check it. So accordingly it will download it. Okay, already fully retrieved, nothing to do, already it's downloaded actually. Okay, so then after that, how sometimes what happens, right, while downloading from that internet any file, it will ask for that certification provisioning. So that time we can use to no check. Okay, we can put that no check certifications, so it will be ignored actually. So that means how to ignore the SSL certification while downloading the files. While downloading the files, it will ask for that certifications. You can use, okay, you can use -no check certificates. So this is the command, so it will ignore that SSL certificate if anytime you ask. Okay, so this is how we are going to use this wget command. We can download the files, directories, and even we can download that from the multiple files at a time. So thanks for watching, friends. You can go through this video. If any doubts, can you please ping me or comment in description.